Okay, so this is the A4988 driver. We will take a closer look to it in a few seconds, but now let's see how to calculate the Vref. If you search online, you will find a lot of formulas to calculate the Vref, but most of them are not right. To find the right one, you have to go on the datasheet of your driver, and there you will find the correct one. In this case, this is the only right formula. Okay. Another data we need to know is the microstepping. We can use our driver in 4 different configurations. The default one is called full step mode, and for this configuration, as we can see here, we need 70% of power. Now if you take a close look to your driver, you will notice that there are 2 very small resistors. You can find a number of them, and the thing you want to do is to remember this number. We will need it later. So let's do some calculations now. We know that we have a A4988 driver, so we found the Imax formula on the datasheet, and we know that we want to work in full step, so the total power we need is the 70%. So we can find the opposite formula, and it will be Vref equals Imax times 8 times RS, but we still don't know what is Imax and what is RS. So now let's look to websites to find out these 2 values. So the first website you need is an SMD resistor code calculator. I found this one, but you can use another one, and in this example I plug in R100, that is the value we found earlier, and we get 0.1 ohm, but you can plug in every value you have. So the second website is just the datasheet of your stepper motor, so use the code of your stepper motor to find it. In this case I took, for example, the NEMA 1706, and the thing you wanna notice is the rated current. In this case we have a 2 ampere rated current. Well, so now we have all the informations we need to do our calculations. So we have an Imax of 2 amperes and an RS of 0.1. We want to work in full step, so we need 70% of power. So we plug it into the formula. The result is 1.6 in this case, but we want to do the 70% of that because we are in full step. So let's do it. So the result is 1.1. Now with this information we can regulate our driver. Okay, so now that you have set the correct value for every driver, you are ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a like and subscribe. See you soon.